Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English Go. In this video, I'll be discussing some of the most common phrasal verbs. And of course, a phrasal verb is just a verb and a particle. Okay, and the million-dollar question is how can I learn all those phrasal verbs? There are thousands of phrasal verbs. Okay, the answer will be just need to learn common ones at first, that we use most of the time, that we are using daily. And this is the key. Today we'll talk about 6 phrasal verbs with turn. Make sure to watch until the end, as I have a special exercise for you to practice what you will learn today. Let's get started. The first phrasal verb today is turn on. Turn on means to activate or switch on a device. So when you want to start something, you will turn it on. For example, please, can you turn on the TV? I want to watch the movie. Please, turn on the computer. I need to check something. Turn off. When you want to stop something, you use turn off. You can also use switch off. For example, please, turn off the TV. We are talking about something important. Turn up. Turn up means to arrive or appear unexpectedly. And there is another meaning, which is to increase the volume. Turn the volume up, please. I'd like to listen to news. He turned it up at the party without an invitation. Another phrasal verb is turn down. Turn down is the contrary to turn up. So turn down means to reduce the volume. For example, turn the music down. It's too loud. Turn down. Turn down means to refuse an offer. I don't want that job, so I'm going to turn it down. Turnover. Turnover means to transfer control or responsibility to someone else. The manager turned over the project to her assistant. Turn out. This last one means to happen in a particular way or to have a specific result, usually unexpected one. It's like discovering something. Let's see some examples. The job offer turned out to be a scam. It turns out that she is a vegetarian. Now it's your turn. I'll give you some sentences and you have to write the correct phrasal verb. Are you ready? Okay, number 1. She didn't like the job offer, so she... Number 2. Can you... The lights, I want to sleep. Can you do what? I'm going to... This task to you. I'm going to what? I'm waiting for your answers. Don't forget to write them down in the comments. See you! If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more lessons. See you next video.